welcome to Unskooler, India's most exclusive e-learning platform. This is Naziya, Shaikh, your maths mentor. Today we are going to start with the new topic, that is algebraic expression. Now, in arithmetic, we deal with numbers and various operations on it. You know that there are 4 fundamental operations in mathematics, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in arithmetic, we deal with numbers and operations on it. So when I say numerical expression, it means that it is a combination of numbers and one or more operations in it, right? So suppose I have to write a numerical expression. I can write it as this, right? Where only numbers are involved and various operations are there. You can see that there are one or more than one operations. In this numerical expression, there are 3 operations, right? And these all are numbers, right? When I say algebra, now algebra is a branch of mathematics which deals with symbols, right? So in generalized term, you can say that in algebra, numbers are represented by letters, right? English letters like A, B, C, X, Y, and so on. So in algebra, the numbers are represented by letters, and these letters are called as literals or variables. So these letters are called as literals, or you can call it as variables. Now these symbols are of 2 types, right? So there are 2 types of symbols. One is constant and the other is variable or literal. Now when I say constant, it means that it has a fixed value. So all numbers are constant, right? So I'm writing one expression here. Now in this, you can see that here one literal is there, right? So this is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a combination of symbols and operations on it, one or more operations on it.